I'm freezing.
Yeah, it's better on the sun.
Oh my gosh, my hair is all blown out. You guys. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I look crazy. My hair look crazy because it's all blown out right now. We're in town and it's a freezing cold. Yes, baby? Yeah? Don't do that. Don't walk in it. Walk around it. We're in town, going to Delaveau, some carousel ride. Come.
This way.
Yeah, this way. Going to Delaveau, have some carousel rides and some other rides for the kids that's happening around here. But it's going to be a beautiful day, but I'm freezing. It's freezing cold. I have to put Tyler in his gloves. I don't have any gloves for myself, so I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I possibly can.
Hi guys. Want to put him in?
Yeah. Sit here. Tay, Taya, Tala.
You're gonna cry, you know that.
Which one? Which one? This one? You can't make your mind.
You want to go with him?
Might as well. Get my phone ready when I'm coming back and eat it.
So, I think I lived here for 18 years. I don't remember myself went into this carousel, or maybe when I was little like Tyler. But otherwise I don't have any memory of myself to go on this carousel. Look at them. Tyler is holding by himself. Baby's just here for safety. Look at them, trying to see them closer. Yeah, look like tired. Here they are.
Finish already?
Yeah.
It's finished.
How was it?
It was good. Which one?
I saw.
You want to go up? Where? Where you want to go up? Tell I wanted to go upstairs. Whoa! Which one you going on? Which one? You want to go on the swing? You want to sit in this one? This one? Try this one? No! You have to stay there. No! Woohoo! Hey, Ty! Police? 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 Fireman! Tyler, look! Look at Tyler. Tyler, look! Ty! Tyler! Look here! Give him money to put your coin. Tyler, you see the man? You don't have coins? Give Tyler to put in the pan. Tyler! Tyler, look!
Tyler.
Put it in the pan. Go, put it in there. Go on. Tyler, put it in there. Go put it in there. Put it. Go. Put it. Tyler, put it in here. Put the money in there.
Okay, Uncle.
Look, he's looking at you. Look, Tyler, look. Ty, go. Uncle, more. Go, give it to him. Go, Tyler, give it to him. Ty, go on. Go show him where to put it. Tyler, go, Papa. Go, Ty, put it in there. Look, he's looking at you. Regardless. Go, look. Tella is gonna touch you. Tella, put it in. Tella, look, he said. Tella, he said hi. Look, he said bye. Go touch him. Go, give him high five. Come, the Amwa. He's such a brave boy. I thought he was gonna cry. You're such a brave boy. If that was me as a kid, I would run and scream. I know. Huh? Yeah. We finally took a break after the carousel fun. We're in McDonald's for lunch. As usual, fast food life. It's 18, but there's 3 numbers, so it's 180. Right. amount, 180. Good morning, faves. Of course. You guys, food is here and Tyler already stopped munching. He got his Happy Meal with his cadeau, of course. He got this little gift and this one. And he have his fish sandwich. I have my wrap and hot dog. Tyler got ice cream, babe sandwich, and food. Scrub time. There, you've been vlogging us all this time? Where's my phone? It's in the bag. He's just chilling. You guys were entering a church, which is so beautiful, the architecture. No, you can't go up. Wow. No, you can't go up there. That's so pretty, don't it? You guys, I actually have to put my hair up because boy, this cold and my hair is not going well at all. We're actually in this bounce house park and Tyler is having so much fun, but he can't go any further because he's stuck right there. You can't go up there. Jump, jump, jump. Hey guys, we got back off the road a long time ago. Wow, look at my eyes. Every time I wear eyeliner under my eye, I don't know if I'm allergic to it, it burns me like crazy and it makes my eyes sore. We got back off the road and I'm just here editing and Tyler here acting a fool with this dog as usual. You're gonna hear him run coming back with the dog. Tyler is obsessed with his grandmother's dog. You hear that? Look at him and the dog coming. You hear him? That's Tyler and the dog. Once Tyler is home, but God forbid he's not getting a dog and I'm not taking home Norio with me. Tyler is obsessed with his grandmother's dog. It's hilarious. It's hilarious how the two of them play like human beings. They'll roll on the floor. They would be touching each other's nose. Oh, it creeps me out sometimes. I guess dog lovers would understand, but I'm not a lover of dogs. So, I guess I had too many dogs growing up. I had like 16 dogs in my yard growing up in Jamaica. So, I am done with the doggy life, okay? I've cleaned up too many dog poops to be still cleaning up poop. Too many poop that made me go blind, y'all. Anyway, you guys, we're just here chilling. We had dinner and I'm here doing some editing. Baby's out there with Tyler to make sure that Tyler is not having the dog licking his mouth, because Tyler loves to play with the dog so much he'll just make the dog do anything with him, so we can't leave him with the dog alone. It's hilarious. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys are having a wonderful day and I hope you guys are enjoying our little vacation vlog.
Oui.
Chien.
Allez, il est où le chien? À gauche.
Un chien.
Allez, va jouer avec le chien.
Grasse.
Oui.
Un chien. Grasse.
Oui, il est où le chien?
Un chien. Grasse. Un chien.
Ah, il est là? Allez, va jouer avec le chien. Debout. T'as le debout?
Un chien. Grasse.
Oui, joue avec le chien.
Un chien. Grasse.
Allez, attrape le chien.